Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from CVS to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. So this video is not going to be my haul video where I am shopping. In this video, we're just going to be reviewing some of the best deals. This is for those folks who like to get a head start and be at the store bright and early on Sunday morning. So before I get into the weekly deals, I want to let you guys know that we have a brand new Activate Rewards rebate for back to school. And I'm really excited about this rebate because it has a new tier of gift card that you can get back. So normally we either have the spend 20, get back 5, or the spend 30, get back 10. Now we also have a spend 75, get back 25. And there's still a limit of 2 per household, so you can do this deal twice. Now with these, you can use coupons and you need to do it all in one transaction. So you can earn up to $50 back essentially if you were to do $75 in 2 transactions, or if you were to do the $30 in 2 transactions, you would get $20 back total. So this is a really good deal, and you can mix and match because we have a lot of different deals that do work for this promotion that are included this week. So the Vino and the Neutrogena is on this promotion, and these are on sale this week. The first aid products like the Band-Aids and the Neosporin are on sale this week. Spend 12, get 3, and these are included in this rebate. The Listerine is included in this rebate, and the Johnson's baby products are also included in this rebate, and these are also on an extra buck promotion. So we have a lot of extra buck offers that match up with this rebate, so you can put together a really nice deal. So I do plan on doing that. I'm gonna wait until my Sunday haul, so I'll show that in my video what I decide to get, but I wanna let you guys know if you wanna put together a deal with whatever you need. But I will be putting together something with this rebate because I think it's a really good way to turn some of those extra bucks into a Visa card or whichever gift card you like. So you can go to my blog, couponwithstar.com, and I have a link to the rebate and all of the details. All right, you guys, so first deal let's go over is the spend 20, get 10. So in this deal, I'm gonna focus on an all digital scenario using the laundry products. But when I actually shop in store tomorrow, I might actually mix and match with some other products. But if you want to get stocked up on laundry, a deal that you can do is grabbing one of the 92-ounce Tide for $12.99. You also want to grab one of the pods for $5.49, and then one of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $12.99. That will total you up to $31.47. Use the $3 digital coupon for the Tide and the Downy, and then use the $1 digital coupon for the Tide pods. You will pay $24.47, and then you're gonna get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $14.47. If you have a 6 off of 30 CRT, you can add that into the mix. That'll bring you down to a final cost of $8.47, or just $2.82 each. Now let's talk about the money maker of the week, and no surprise, it's Covergirl. So this week, Covergirl is buy 2, get back 4, or buy 3, get back 7. And of course, we're gonna pick up 3 of the pencils for $4.99. That will total us up to $14.97. Use 3 of the $3 coupons from the 7-9 save, plus the $4 instant coupon. And at the register, you'll pay just $1.97. Then you'll get back the $7 in extra bucks for buying 3, making your final cost for these not only free, but a $5.03 moneymaker. The Dove body wash could be an interesting deal this week, just depending on how things work out. When I actually go to the store and shop, I'll see how this works. We do have a buy one, get one free coupon in today's inserts. So you definitely want to pick up a paper if you do get paper coupons for this paper coupon, because you can use it at any store, not just CVS. And then we are also expected to get a $6.99 digital coupon. So if you pick up one men's body wash for $8.19, one women's body wash for $8.49, that'll total you up to $16.68. With the $6.99 digital coupon, if you do it all digital, you'll pay $9.69 at the register. Then you'll get back a $2 extra buck for buying 2. And you can submit over to Fetch Rewards for 50 cents on the men's body wash, making your final cost for both bottles $7.19 or $3.59 each. If you need Clairol products, you can definitely make a good deal this week, especially if you have a 4 off of 16 CRT. And a lot of people will be like, what is a CRT? A CRT is just shorthand for a cash register tape coupon, which is another shorthand for a store coupon. So if you have this store coupon for 4 off of 16 on hair color, you can add that into the mix. And another all digital option is picking up 2 of these for $8.99. That'll total you up to $17.98. If you use the buy one, get one free digital coupon, if that is priced at $8.99, which I doubt it because the paper coupon is priced at $7.99. But if it's priced at $8.99 plus that 4 off of 16 CRT, you would pay $4.99 and then get back 4. If the digital value is $7.99, you would pay $5.99 and get back 4, which is still a really good deal and makes them $9.99 each. The Dove hair care is a nice deal. So these are buy 2, get back 2 this week. So you can buy 2, they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you buy 1 for $5.29. The second one will ring out for $2.64. That'll total you up to $7.93. Using the 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, you'll pay out $4.93 and then get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost just $1.46 each. If you do have a 3 off of 15 Dove hair care CRT, you could pick up 4 bottles. That'll total you up to $15.87. Use 2 of the 3 off of 2 coupons plus that 3 off of 15 CRT. You'll pay out $6.87 and then get back the $2 in extra bucks, making your final cost just $1.21 each. I am really excited about this deal on the Eucerin face products because I use these products every day. So this week, these are spend 20, get 10. I think this is an unadvertised deal. I'm not sure that I saw it in the ad, but they are spend 20, get 10. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of the cleansers for $10.99. That'll total me up to $21.98. I'm gonna use my 7 off of 2 paper coupon from the 7.9 save. At the register, I'll pay out $14.98, but then I'm gonna get back a $10 extra buck, and I'm gonna submit over to Ibotta for $2 on each one. So that'll be $14 total back. It's gonna make my final cost for these just 49 cents each. The LA Girl Cosmetics are spend 10, get back 5. So you can pick up 2 of these products. I'm gonna get 2 of the concealers because I need those. And then if you use if you get 2 of the $4.99 products, that'll total you up to $9.98. Use a 3 off of 10 CRT. That'll bring you down to $6.98 to pay. And then you'll get back a $5 extra buck. So it'll make your final cost for 2 of these products just 99 cents each. The Degree deodorant is a great, easy, all-digital deal that anyone can do this week. So these are buy 1, get 1 50% off. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back $3 in extra bucks. So pick up 2 of them for $10.93. Use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay out $6.93. Or you can also use the paper coupon that we have for 4 off of 2. So you'll pay out $6.93. You'll get back the $3 extra buck. That'll make them $3.93 for both. But then you can submit over to Fetch Awards for 1,500 points back on each one. That's $3. It'll make your final cost for 2 of these just 93 cents. The Sting Kill and the Chigarex are also easy deals that anyone can do with no coupons required. So you can pick up one of these Sting Kills for $6.29. Then you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost only $1.29. If you need paper products, the Scott products are spend 20, get 5 this week. We should get a digital coupon for the toilet paper. We'll probably get one for the paper towels as well. And then we might have those printable coupons on the Scott website for the paper towels if you want to double up on the paper towels also. So pick up 2 of those for $10.49 each. That'll total you up to $20.98. Use the $1 digital coupons on each one. You'll pay out $18.98 and then get back a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost $6.99 each. So that is it for my CVS Best Deals video, but check back Sunday evening. We will do our full CVS haul with all of the deals for this week. So I will see you guys then. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.